In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear sway bar end links on your Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. The rear end link connects the sway bar to the chassis to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using an 18mm wrench, unscrew the nut from the lower ball joint. Restrict the rotation of the ball joint using a ratchet and an 8mm socket. Finish unscrewing by hand. Brush the bolt holding the sway bar end link, then spray it with penetrating oil. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using an 18mm wrench, unscrew the upper retaining bolt on the sway bar end link. Finish unscrewing by hand. You can now remove the link. Brush and grease the location to facilitate the installation. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nut supplied with it. Put the lower ball joint of the sway bar end link back in place. Loosely screw the nut back on to hold it together. Screw the upper bolt back on until it makes contact using an 18mm wrench. Once at a distance, finish tightening the bolt with a torque wrench. Screw the nut of the lower ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.